Hey everybody, you should have your spreadsheet all done with all of the basketball teams here, regions, hometowns, and home states and websites. If it's not formatted like this, it will be in an upcoming assignment. So this assignment is all about mapping out all of these teams. So you're on your assignment here called Map March Madness. And there's a couple ways to do this. The first way you can do this is you can go through and you can start Gonzaga University. You can type in here and then you can hit add to map and then you can move on to the next one. So University of Iowa, and you can hit add to map and you can just keep going down the list. This is all fine and good, and you can totally do it that way. Or you could do it this way. So I'm going to delete here and I'm going to start over because this is what I think is the easier way. Go to import on this left side here, go to Google Drive, and it'll probably be in your recents. Since I'm recently working on this, you want to find the one that's titled, in my case, it's going to have SP on the end. Yours is probably going to have your last name on it. Double click on that. And we are going to choose the columns for the place mark. So we're going to go to team name, hometown, home state. Continue. Then it's going to say, what do you want to title it as? And we're going to go team name. We're going to go finish. And we're going to cross our fingers. Abracadabra. And there it is. Now, we can even customize it even more. So you can hit all items here. And you can say, hey, I want to go all items. And these are all schools. I want to make it schools. So I can do that and hit OK. And then you can even do this. You can uniform it, and you can break off the uniforms by like home state. And now you can see all of the different states that have a team and move it around, and you can see that they're all color-coded. Now, we ran out of color, so it kind of grays out some. And the other cool part about this project is you can now click on and use this as kind of like a college and career map. You can say, hey, I'm interested in Purdue. I didn't know it was in West Lafayette. And you can click on the website and find out all kinds of more information about these schools. All right. So thank you for making a map, probably, hopefully, the easy way, using Google Maps and spreadsheets. Have a great day.